How to lock Facebook profile officially. Before doing this, you have to make some changes in your account. Go to Facebook and click on the three lines at the top right corner. Scroll down. Select Settings and Privacy. In this select Settings. Scroll down to Audience and Visibility. Select Followers and Public Content. Change all features from public to friends or as per your requirement. Here you see, Public Profile Info. That's where you lock your profile information, so that only your friends, or friends of friends can view it. Go back. Select Profile and Tagging. Make changes as per your needs. That's it. For more tech videos, subscribe to our channel.